This is Nobody by Matthew West. It's a really fun song, so I hope you have a lot of fun with it as well. Make sure to stop this video right now because I have the printable chord sheet below for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. I'm going to teach you it in the key of C, and we have C chord, F chord, G chord. Then we have our A minor, and then they do throw in a D chord at the end towards the bridge that I'll teach you as well. All right, so this is the most simple way to play it. Chording, just plain Jane, get you immersed in being able to play these songs and add in vocally. You can maybe lead a band, you can accompany for somebody on stage, or just enjoy music for yourself. So we start out with an A minor in the verse 1, which is A, C, E. Okay, then we move to an F chord, F, A, C, C chord, C, E, G, and then let's see, in the chorus, we're going to pick up that G, so let's figure that out. G chord, G, B, D. And then that D chord, like I told you, is going to be a F sharp, A, D. And I'll show you why I play it that way for this song towards the end when I teach you the bridge. Okay, so when our right hand is playing these simple chords, so I'll review real quick. A minor, F, C, D. When our right hand plays that chord, let's pick up just single notes in our left hand to just simplify even more. So our right hand, or excuse me, our left hand, we're going to play A minor, F, C, G, and then we're just going to open up the C to the D in that bridge. Okay, otherwise this hand can camp out here the entire song. You don't have to move that, which simplifies it for you. Okay, so the rhythm that we're going to bring the two hands together in, this is 4/4 time signatures. So we're going to go like a 1-to-2 ratio, and this is what I mean. Together, right. Together, right. Together, right. That means together on the first beat, right hand by itself. Together, right hand by itself. Okay, so let's bring that together in our chords. A minor by itself. Together, right. Together, right. And you can practice that over and over through all the chords if that helps you. Okay, so how we add the vocals into it so that it makes sense to you what I'm doing is, here we go. I'll just go ahead and sing along because it makes a lot more sense when I just jump in. Why you ever chose me has always been a mystery. And all my life I've been told I belong at the end of the line. Okay, notice I'm just doing bum, 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 bum. Why you ever chose me has always been a mystery. And all my life I've been told I belong at the end of the line. Okay, see how that works? Together, right. Pretty simple. The chorus, we're just going to do that as well, because I'm just nobody trying to tell everybody. See, we're all about A minor, who saved my soul. See there. Ever since you, A minor, F, C, I'm living for the world to see. Nobody but Jesus. Living for the world to see. Nobody but Jesus. Okay, the verse 2 is going to be the same as verse 1. Same rhythm, same chords, nothing new there. The bridge, so let me go down, C, down, down in F history as another blood-brought family, a faithful member of the family. A minor, and if they all forget my name, well that's, here's where we're going to drop into that D. Fine with me. So we came off that A minor. Get my name. Well, that's fine with me. Comes into that D. Living for the world to see. Nobody but Jesus. I'm living for the world to see. Nobody but Jesus. So the bridge goes, so let me go down, down, down in history, F there, as another blood-bought, faithful member of the family, and on that G. And if they all, A minor, forget my name, well, that's fine with me, is going to be a D. The reason I chose to do the the D like this is we're already coming off the A minor, and we're just going to go right in here and play that D instead of going up to the D, in which the D is normally D, F sharp, A. All I am doing is kind of switching the order, okay? All right, so let's just review that bridge because that's probably going to be the most complex part of this song. So let me go down, down, down in history. I'm going to play it top to bottom with you. You can follow along with me. And of course, you can go back and rewatch kind of how I introduce the first hand, the second hand, how we bring those two hands together. And then really don't complicate. Chording is really simple, especially how they repeat over and over and over. So you'll notice verses always go together for the most part. Choruses is kind of just maybe a rearrangement. For this song, it's not. It's just A minor, F, C. Pretty simple. All right, have fun with this one. And why you ever chose me has always been a mystery. And all my life I've been told I belong at the end of the line, with all the other not quites, with all the never get it rights. But it turns out they're the ones you were looking for all this time. 'Cause I'm just a nobody, trying to tell everybody all about somebody who saved my soul. Ever since you rescued me, you gave my heart a song to sing. I'm living for the world to see, nobody but Jesus. I'm living for the world to see, nobody but Jesus. Moses had stage fright, David bought a rock to sword fight. You picked 12 outsiders nobody would have chosen, and you changed the world. The moral of the story is everybody's got a purpose. So when I hear that devil start talking to me, saying, who do you think you are? 'Cause I'm just a nobody, trying to tell everybody all about somebody who saved my soul. And ever since you rescued me, you gave my heart a song to sing. I'm living for the world to see, nobody but Jesus. I'm living for the world to see, nobody but Jesus. So let me go down, down, down in history as another blood-bought, faithful member of the family. And if they all forget my name, well, that's fine with me. I'm living for the world